Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm testing out the cameras on the iPhone XR. But before I get this started, check this out. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 60 frames per second on the iPhone XR. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Man, look at that sky. It's a beautiful day in Texas. Look, shout out to the minivan. Again, real men drive minivans. Forget the Mustangs or the BMWs. Let's go into this tree. Do y'all see any type of focusing problems? Nope, it actually looks pretty good. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. How did I sound too? Because again, I'm just holding the phone. Look at the ground. It looks like somebody went off-roading in my little park, but that's okay. But again, I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30 frames per second. And until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the iPhone XR. What do y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. How does the audio sound? You know, a lot of people have been hating on this poor iPhone XR, especially because of the display. But what y'all think about the cameras? To me, they actually look pretty good. I might do some comparisons against some other Android phones. Let's zoom in a little bit. It actually looks pretty good too. I'm gonna zoom back out. But yeah, I'm just doing this camera test. People have been asking me about the camera, so why not come out and do some footage? Damn. There's a lot of damn bugs around me though, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I've seen some other videos where the audio sounds better than the iPhone X. But y'all let me know how it sounds. How does the video look? I'm gonna come back with the 1080p 60 frames per second in a minute. So I'll be back. Peace. Okay everyone, so I wanted to give everyone a nighttime video with the iPhone XR. It's pretty low light, I guess you can say, except for these big park lights. Look at that. That doesn't look so good. But y'all let me know how everything looks. I think the mics work pretty good. Big lots. Funny thing is that sign right there, let's zoom in, says grand opening. Even though that big lot has been open for the last year. Very weird. I don't understand it, but hey. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. There's Walmart. We can zoom in. But definitely let me know what y'all think about this nighttime video. Does it look okay? Look at the sky. Will you be able to work with this? I think so, but I want your opinions in the comments. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. What do y'all think about it? Again, I'm just walking at the park, holding the phone. How do I sound? Can y'all hear the birds chirping in the background? Do y'all see any focusing problems? Man, it actually looks good. Look how I'm close in there. iPhone XR cameras are turning out to be pretty good. Let's see, zoom in again. It's a field goal. Saints are gonna win, hopefully tomorrow. Go Saints. Y'all let me know in the comments what's your favorite NFL team, if you have one. If you don't watch football, that's okay too, I guess. Just let me know what your favorite sport team is then. Look at the bench. But again, y'all let me know how I sound. How does the video look? There's one camera in the back, the 12 megapixel camera. Look, oh yeah, I forgot, slow pan of the sky. Okay, the birds wants to be in the camera somewhere. Look, birds are in the tree. But y'all let me know how this looks. I'm gonna come back with 1080p, 30 frames per second in just a minute. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Slow pan of the football field. Imagine the kids running around. Could you use this camera as your everyday camera, catching your kids running into the touchdown? Actually, I believe you could. Let's zoom in. Look, you can zoom into that post. Bam. The houses in the background. Say your kid's running over there, you can zoom in. How does this look? How do I sound? I'm gonna start walking again. Look at my shadow. Yes, I'm just holding the phone. But y'all let me know. I think it looks really good. The colors look a little poppy, not too saturated, but they actually look pretty good and accurate. Wait until I can get into a bigger screen though to see. But I mean, so far everything looks really good. Quite impressive. But y'all let me know what y'all think. How do I sound? I say that a lot during these videos, but it's because I want your opinions. Look at the tree. No focusing problem. That's a post, by the way. But y'all let me know how this looks. I'm gonna come back with the front-facing camera in just a moment. Okay, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on the iPhone XR. What do y'all think about it? How do I look? How do I sound? Look, that's the minivan in the background. Yes, the sky gets blown out because the sun's right there. Look at the grass. Grass looks pretty good. How's the mics on this phone? How has this whole video been? What y'all thought about the photos too? Y'all let me know in the comments. There's a bunch of gnats flying around me, if y'all can't see that on camera or not. It's been raining in Texas the last couple of weeks, so the bugs are out like crazy. But it doesn't look that good when I'm standing right in the sun. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. This whole video. Can you live with the iPhone XR cameras? I think actually this is a go. It's a good go. Good win. iPhone didn't skip on the cameras on this phone. I know the phone was getting a lot of heat. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone XR. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here.